how to find account security settings on Udemy easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open your browser and then click on your profile here in top corner, and once you're here all you need to do just click account security. Here is it in the photo. And now you can manage here anything you want. You can manage your email address, you can change it, and you can change your password. Just enter your current password and your new, and type again your new password and change it, and that's it. And I hope that can help you. Now after that just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.